Hi, in this video, I'm going to offer you a sneak peek at the new version of Tessitura Pro for Mac OS X by MDEX Music. Let's load the altered scale. Just drag and drop it to the main circle. Let's load the patterns panel, which shows a simple ascending pattern, and play. The auto key button is on, so it went straight to the next key. Let's change the rhythm to a 16th and load a different pattern. Drag and drop it to load it. Okay, let's also add approach notes. This one seems interesting. Let's enable it. Now you can also play the chord at the beginning. That's really cool. Of course you can apply this pattern to any scale. Let me try the Messiaen inverted 3 truncated. And I will enable tensions in the chord to get a better idea of the sound of the scale. Amazing! In this Mac OS X version, we have included hundreds of approaches, patterns, and a complete set of rhythmic patterns. You can also load different color themes. Here's the default one. If you are used to the iOS version, you can use this one. The info panel now includes the intervals weights for each structure. And in this substructure panel, you can drag and drop to choose the main structure and the substructure. So there are the major triads inside a pentatonic scale. The panels are fully customizable, so you can adjust it any way you want to. But the coolest feature yet is that we have included all structures in music. 1,948 total. It's endless. Now you have all of them. The new Tessitura Pro for Mac is going to blow your mind. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.